Welcome to my channel. We're kicking off creating talking animated characters today. Get ready for an enjoyable ride as we dive into the art of making your characters speak through animation. Hold on tight, because we're about to embark on a cool and creative journey. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of animation with Adobe Animation from Audio and with SadTalker step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, you've landed in the right place. I'm excited to guide you through the thrilling world of bringing characters to life. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate your animated characters into videos. So, sit back, relax, and let's star. Ready to get started? Let the animation adventure begin. When transitioning to Adobe Animate from Audio, start by clicking Start Now and advancing to the next page. Initiate your creative journey in Adobe Character Animator by selecting a character from the available library, which offers a variety of pre-made characters to serve as a foundation for your animation. Once you've chosen a character, navigate to the Background tab and customize it with a green background. After completing this step, click Browse to upload your voice file. Once you've selected the voice file, Adobe will process the animation for you. Once the processing is complete, click on the video clip to preview the animation. If you're satisfied with the result, proceed to download the animation. Furthermore, we can utilize SadTalker to craft a speaking character. In a previous video, we demonstrated how SadTalker can create a talking avatar, and you can explore the details in that video. Now, we're extending the capability to create a speaking character using SadTalker. Today, I've switched to the automatic 11.11 extension version today. No need to worry, as both versions maintain the similar interface and process for a seamless user experience, where we'll upload our voice and image to bring our speaking character to life. From these animated characters, the journey continues to bring our creations to life. To begin video editing, we employ CapCut. Visit the CapCut website and navigate to the download menu. Once installed, open CapCut. Import all the necessary videos into the CapCut, then drag them onto the timeline. Select specific parts of the videos to include in your project and arrange them on the timeline. To incorporate animated characters, place their video on the upper layer of the timeline and adjust their position to your preference. Next, navigate to the Cutout tab. Enable the chroma key function and use the color picker to select the green color from the background. Adjust the circle's center to pinpoint the green area. Then increase the strength to effectively remove the green. Repeat this process for any additional green screen footage. Transforming audio into animated characters is a breeze with Adobe Animate and SadTalker. Dive into the world of storytelling by seamlessly integrating voices and expressions.
Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you on creating captivating 2D kids animation.
Thank you for watching.